Parliament, Operation Sindoor. Of course, it's the second week of the monsoon session that we are looking at, and there is a marathon debates that are now lined up, a blockbuster debate in both houses of Parliament, in the Rajya Sabha as well, where the matter would be taken up. Let's take in a word from Pragya, who is joining us live. Well, Pragya, again, we are looking at a blockbuster Tuesday on the second day of the House as we are looking at the Operation Sindoor debate that would be taking place. If you can take us through the speakers of today, both on part of the government and from the opposition side. Over to you.
Absolutely, Amita. This is going to be a power-packed Tuesday, I would say, in Parliament today. And in fact, Mr. Amit Shah, Union Home Minister, would be beginning the debate on Operation Sindoor in Lok Sabha. He is scheduled to speak at 12 o'clock in the noon. And in fact, we are also expecting big names from the Congress side as well. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and KC Venugopal. Three of the names that Congress said that they would be speaking today in the Parliament on Operation Sindoor. This is going to be very, I would say, the fiery speeches we will be listening to in the Parliament today on Operation Sindoor. And not just that, Prime Minister is also scheduled to speak around 6:30 when the debate concludes. And not just that, Rajya Sabha will also be debating Operation Sindoor, and we are expecting Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge from their side, Mr. JP Nadda from the Treasury benches. So all the top guns will be speaking on Operation Sindoor. This is a narrative war that we will be listening to. In fact, there are many questions that have been raised by the opposition in the Parliament yesterday, and each of them have been categorically answered by Mr. Jaishankar and Defence Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh. And while Mr. Amit Shah also intervened, in fact said that you need to listen to a person who is a senior minister and is speaking under oath. You also need to take government word, because that has been spoken under oath in the House of the Parliament. This was an address to the opposition when Mr. Amit Shah rose and intervened when Mr. Jaishankar was heckled. We are expecting a very fiery speech from Mr. Amit Shah as well, a very, castigating remarks on the opposition as well for trusting the opposition, for trusting Pakistan and not their own government when it comes to diplomacy, and also when it comes to the facts of Operation Sindoor and the action taken by the government. So it's absolutely a power-packed Tuesday, as you rightly said, and we are going to be listening to the both sides and the fiery speakers, and
absolutely,
also
because it was a long day on day one, close to midnight, as far as the functioning of the Lok Sabha is also concerned. But today being the second